everybody. I am about to, what I think I'm going to do is air taxi. And I ended up making a boo-boo and climbing out instead. This is my first maiden flight. Just wanted you guys to see it. But yeah, what I intended to do was to air taxi maybe 50 feet, a little bit higher than I usually do. And instead, I gave it full throttle. Never did that before. And she wanted to head for the sky like a homesick angel. So I drifted over the left median, the left grass area. And before I could get it to settle down and come back down to the runway, I ran out of room. So here we go. I apologize for the shakiness. My wife's the one using her iPhone, and she's not a real good photographer at this point. We got to work on that a little bit and get her to understand how to center the subject. And because of the back and forth, up and down, and all over the place, the focus was in and out. So I apologize. Please accept my apologies. But yeah, we were both nervous. I was the one up there nervous, and she was on the ground nervous. So that's how it works. got too high and went too far, and I didn't have enough room to land, so I couldn't blast off the engine. So I had to go around. I did it, but it feels weird. It feels like my ailerons aren't set right. I don't know what it is. They feel like I'm fighting. So I'm going to wait and I'm going to ask Ron something I should do to my control. When I was up there, I was literally fighting to hold it flat, to hold it level. Oh.
I was looking for you and I'm like, wait, where is he?
Well, I'm going to... running too, I think. Yeah.
I didn't do that good with this.
I can't hear you. I'll meet you around the other side. Here's a little different vantage point. You get to see me take off and you get to see what happened. Because I actually went over the left side too far. I went over the grass area. That's what caused me to not be able to land it right. Check it out. Any of you guys or gals that want to critique me and tell me what I was doing wrong, I think I was cross-controlling, but I'm not sure. So please chime in, leave a comment below. Thanks. Notice I reached up and I grabbed the root tube, the hoop, because to be honest with you, I was freaked out and I was just doing everything I could to remain calm and fly the plane. So, wow, that's all I can tell you. Man, what a rush. Right here, I realized that I was heading towards the runway at the wrong angle. I was in the downwind, but I wasn't in the downwind properly, and I wasn't properly paralleling the runway. So I had to bring it to the right a little bit, parallel the runway, and once I got to a certain point, past the threshold, I had to do my left base turn. When I did my left base turn, I overshot that, and as you'll see, I ended up making it up and, figuring it out, but, oh man, yeah, well, the next few flights should be better. notice that I'm in a left turn trying to get to the runway. As you can see, I'm cross controlling. I was told not to do that, but because this is the first flight, I was in a panic mode. In essence, I was cross controlling the plane. So that's why I was having some difficulties, but I still got to sort out what's wrong with my right turning, because I think I have a push-pull cable that's routed incorrectly. I asked Dennis Carley about it, and he said to look at that. It's on the inboard part of the wing. I'll shut up now. Well, that's the first flight. Unexpected, not intentional, but I did it for whatever reason. You know, the cards were with me, and I guess it was my time to get the thing up in the air and stop dicking around. I'm sorry, wrong word. Stop screwing around and fly it. So I did. Now I have to address the issue with the push-pull cable. And once I get that sorted out, it's time for solo flight number 2. I just really want to thank all you guys for all your positive words in the comment section. In the last few videos, you know, me attempting my air taxis and so forth. Thank you very much for support. Thank you for all your advice and your criticisms. I really appreciate it. Until next time, stay tuned. There's more coming.